Oha. Ndubayo mekwalo. Because security, igwe baya ala so anyi wakuo. Because ashiye lile no na front wa.
Okay, it's all right. Allow that young man here with free hand. Chalelo kare free ponu manado na kundo.
Biko ulule anya chonye ge mude mmado outside the ring. Oye jila microphone na issue. Oh mekwa.
Right.
Oh mekwa. Okoro delibi hawlono. Ulu no ba koko. Le ba le ti go pa kota. They were really mutu money. Now that's the teach.
So we see.
5 minutes and no way time. Biko me lo gatro.
He's here.
Oha. Anya da ipera kamera na me 5 minutes ka yin yeru. Ogela agapa. Get back to the ring. Let's say
the same people, the winning team.
Get the biggest way to go. The winning team.